I'm going to make some fiery text in Gimp. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a new image, whatever size you need. I'm going to select black from my paint bucket tool, and I'm going to make the background black. I'm now going to select text, and I'm going to choose white, and we'll make ourselves a nice text box. Font size, I'm going to go with something a bit smaller than the 300 that it came in with, and I'm going to type in my text, move it down a little bit maybe, place it where I would like. I'll go ahead and I'll center it or place it however I'd like, and once I have that, I'm going to just right click on that layer, and I'm going to merge down. I'm going to select the smudge tool and make sure the size is appropriate to the text. I think that'll work. I'm going to take the hardness and force down to somewhere in this range, 50 or 60. And then maybe I'll zoom in a little bit. So I'll just go to zoom and maybe zoom into 200 or so. And then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take a minute to do this. Starting at the top and just trying to get kind of that fiery effect coming off of the top of the letters. Play around, have some fun with it. And then along the bottom, I'm going to work some of the black into this to get some gray happening at the base. And at the same time, soften up those hard edges. Having gotten some things coming off of the top and the base darkened, the next thing I'm going to do is just going to work along the edge to make sure that there's no real hard edges left. Just smudging pretty much everything a little bit. Just trying to smudge and smear everything a little bit. Having gotten rid of all the hard edges, I'm going to adjust the colors. So I'll go up to color balance and I'm going to just make adjustments to the shadows, the midtones, and the highlights. I'll slide the cyan up all the way. I'll take magenta up a little bit. I'll take the yellow down just a bit. I'll do something similar with the midtones. And with the highlights, I will do something similar, although I will take the yellow all the way back. So that we get something like this. Then what I think I'll do is I will go to my layers. I already have an alpha channel in place. So I'm just going to go ahead and say color to alpha. And instead of choosing white, I'm going to select black so that all the background is now transparent. And with that done, I will use my box select tool and I will select a tighter area around just the text. I will go up to image and I will fit the canvas to the selection. And what I can do finally is file, and I will export this as a PNG. And if we go find the fireball text that we just created, there we are.